Type 2, log equals a number, so here's the steps how to solve these ones. Step number 1, condense and isolate the logarithm. Step number 2, write the equation in exponential form. Step number 3, solve and check for extraneous solutions. Again, no negatives. We don't want any negatives inside the logs. Okay, so write the equation in exponential form. Well, because I don't have to condense, it's already condensed. Now remember the logarithm loop I taught you? Go like this. Now I can write it in exponential form. 2 to the 6th power equals x minus 4. Okay, well 2 to the 6th power is 64. And all I have to do to solve for x is add 4. 68, that's an 8, equals x. If I plug this in, do I get a negative? Nah, I'm all good. Okay, this one, before I start simplifying, I have to add 7 because I need to isolate the logarithm. It's not isolated. So log 3, 4x plus 8 equals 4. Now I can use my loop trick. Okay, 3 to the 4th power equals 4x plus 8. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is the same thing as 9 times 9, which is 81. Minus 8. 73 equals 4x. Divide by 4. Well, that's just a fraction. X equals 73 over 4. And if I plug it in, I don't get any negatives, so we're good. We'll do 13 in the video, and then we'll do 14, 15, and 16 in class, along with the other ones from the other side. Condense, I have to condense this. These are both the same base, so I can make this a product. Now I can do, remember, before I do my exponent logarithm loop thing, without a base, it's just base 10, right? So now I can do it. 10 to the 2nd power, well 10 squared is 100, equals 2x times x minus 5. Watch what happens here. 100 equals 2x squared minus 10x. This is a quadratic. So I'm going to set this equal to 0, so 0 equals 2x squared minus 10x minus 100. I bet you I can factor this. So I'm going to divide everything by 2 first to make my life easier. Now, what two numbers multiply to negative 50 and add to negative 5? Did you come up with negative 10 and positive 5? Okay, so now I have two answers. I have x equals 10. Remember, I set these equal to 0 and negative 5. So let's check. Are either of these extraneous? If I plug in 10, what do I get? I get 20 times 5, which is 100. That works. Negative 5. Uh-oh. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10 times, oh, we're going to go up to this one actually. Negative 10, negative 10. Negative 5 does not work. So we only have one answer, and it's 10. Okay. All right, try the next 3 on your own.